Hi, so in this we will see about the font, for how we will format the font. So here I have shown written some of the things. So let us start with the font. So here in the font box you can see various functions, such as here it is been provide bold, then various kinds of the functions. So let us start with the bold. So here you can bold this a particular cell or particular name with the by clicking this on the bold, and you can also use the shortcut for the bold or unbolding the particular thing by using Control B. So just press Control B to bold or unbold the name. So press Control B. So here you can see the bold has been appeared. Coming on to the italic, so you can have the italic by pressing over in the font box. Here it is been provided, so just click. So here you can see there is a italic. So you can there is also a shortcut for the italic, that is Control I. So just press Control I, you can see the change. So just now press again Control I, so it has been in the italic. So coming on to the underline, so here you can see the underline, so you can make click on it as underline. So here the underline has been appeared. There is a shortcut for the underline. Go to the keyboard and press Control U. So just press Control U, you can see there is a change in the cell. So just press again Control U, so it has been underlined. Coming on to the border, so here you can see the border. Just go, there are various kinds of border: bottom border, top, left, right, no border, all border, outside, etc. So right now I am using all border. So you can see that the particular cell has been bordered. Or what you can do is you can select number of the cells and just make or click on all border. So you can see all border has been generated. To remove that all border, what you can do is just click on this downside arrow, and here one of the is given that no border. Select on that no border. Or what you can do is you can use the Control Z to remove that. So we are complete with border. Now coming on to fill color. So here you can see the fill color. You can select any fill color. So right now I am selecting yellow color. So here you can see that color has been filled, or we can say the background color. Now coming on to the font color, here it is provided. So press down arrow, you can select any of the color for the font. Right now I'm selecting red color. So here it is the font color. Now let us see the font size. So for font size, here the capital A is given with increasing arrow and one is in the decreasing arrow. So first increase the size of the font. So let us click. So here you can see the change, that font size has been increased, and pressing on the decreasing size, the arrow, the font size is decreasing. Or you can also decrease your size from this particular number box. So here I have made 8 size of 8. Now coming on to the font 1. Font 1 means there are various kinds of font in this. Here right now it is Calibri. You can use any of this font. So right now if this is the font 1, and let us use another font. You can use any of this font. So let us select this. So this was the font. This was the font box in which these kinds of functions are being given. So let us see about the clipboard. So if there is a name Sagar, so if you want to cut and paste that name, so here in the clipboard the cut is provided. So just press cut and select the cell. So I want to paste over here, so just press paste. Or what you can do is just select the cell, and in keyboard you have to press Control X and select the cell and press Control V. Now coming on to the copy, you can copy this cell. Here in the clipboard there is given copy, Control C you can use, and just paste by using Control V. Now what you have to do is, now the main function of the format painter. For example, I am having some name like Malay, which is having the size of 20, let's say, and another name, I am having another name as Jai, which is of the size 8. So what is the function of format painter? So just click on the cell which you want to format painter. So just click on format painter and just click on that. So you can observe that the format painter has made the similar cell which you have been selected. So just click on this again, format painter, and click on that. So it will change the which will equal the size of that particular cell. So for example, I am increasing this size of the cell or the font, and I am making format painter again, so it will make same size of the font. That is the main use of the format painter. So here we have seen the function of the font and clipboard.